Yes. He's foxy.
Yeah, he's the
stodgy,
whiny, he's the revolutionary.
He's a bit suspicious.
Yeah.
Bit suspicious. Could be a bit fishy.
He's not a fish.
Oh no, he's a little gingery.
Foxy's good. We'll stick with Fox. Fox is good.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Oh, now I know all about Tremors.
Tremors, yeah.
Tremors is the old retainer. Oh, he's bent double with his age and he's very bent up like that. He could have a shell. He could be a crab. A hanging island basking crab. All right. A tortoise. Ooh.
Good, very good. Okay, right, now we're on to the girls in the play.
Yes, now I saw this and I thought it was a timing mistake because I just assumed that one of the other girls would be playing it.
One of the other girls, Dad, there's you and there's me. There is nobody else. We're playing all the parts.
Me? Play a woman?
Yes!
But they'll just think I'm a bender.
Oh my God! You can't say that!
But how?
Let's look at the book. Come on. Look, let's see what Dangerous Delilah says about it. Oh yes, one of the most liberating experiences.
Yes.
That's right. Now, come on, think of a woman that you know.
I'm a little old lady.
Think of a particular little old lady.
I'm a very particular little old lady. Oh, it's difficult, isn't it?
Yes.
I know.
You carry on, I'm going to turn that mobile phone off.
Okay. Hello.
Hello,
dear. Would you like a cup of tea? Minnie Bakewell. I'm knitting you a new beard, dear. Just like the Cossacks. To keep you warm. It's in my jacket pocket, dear.
Okay.
It's my alarm. I don't know why I wanted an alarm to go off at this time of night, really. I really can't remember. This happened at the National Theatre once, actually. I was watching She Stoops to Conquer, and the alarm went off. Funnily enough, I had an earache at the same time, so I was leaning over like that, pulling my ear. This is a true story, you know. I was pulling my earlobe open like that, and the phone kept going off, and I kept slapping it like that to try and turn it off, and it stopped. I'll tell you that story later. A little mouse is involved. Oh, come on, I'll tell it to you now. And I slapped my leg like that and turned the mobile phone off, but I'd only put it on snooze. And so the whole thing happened 10 minutes later, and I was slapping my leg like that, and I was pulling my ear like that, and at the same time, a little mouse ran along the top of the thing. I'm a mouse! And like everyone looked at me on stage.
Think of a particular little old lady.
Minnie Bakewell, dear.
Oh yes, that's Granny. Sorry. Yes, that was Granny, wasn't it?
That was Granny, yes.
Right, scrap that. Think of someone else. Right, not someone from the family. Not our friends of the family. Right, try someone off the telly. I'm going to sit down.
You know nothing, Jon Snow. Oh, I know you're highborn, but you've not done now with your willy but stir your tea, have you, Jon Snow? Oh, I know, with a worldling whore, all covered in shite, but underneath these rabbit skins, I got a cracking bust, a right nice ginger mint. Oh, Jon Snow, we should have stayed in the cave, you dirty bastard.
Where did that come from?
Game of Thrones.
Yeah, I know. But, crikey.
I became though, didn't I?
Yeah. Pretty good, Dad.
Yeah.
Well done.
Hang on, I got another one.
Well, I don't think we need another one, I'll be honest.
My name's Monica, and I'm not a prostitute. I'm a good time girl. The police have never had any occasion to take my particulars down, but if you buy me a brandy and baby sham, we can go round the back of the flats where Tony keeps his party and have a bit of how's your father.
Who's Monica?
Off the telly.
Really, off the telly?
Off the telly, definitely off the telly. Long time ago. Chapter 4.
No, Dad, not chapter 4. Yes, we like. No, not chapter 4. We are doing this. We've got to do the play. We've spent most of the time fanning about with your
Mum on the phone was... I just wanted to get things right.
Yes, get things right. This is just like the Whipsnade pick and mix all over again.
We don't talk about the Whipsnade pick and mix.
No, of course we don't.
I just wanted to get it right.
Yes, I know you did, Dad, but it's going so monumentally wrong. Right, there was supposed to be a Russian folk dance in the middle of this play. Haven't had a chance to research it, haven't had a chance to learn it. It's going to cut it, it's all going to go wrong, it's going to ruin the play, the dance is the pivotal moment.
I can do a Russian folk dance.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can do a Russian folk dance. I did a course. Monica, Mrs. Crumbles, she had a group on.
Oh.
Yes, yeah, I could definitely do one.
Right, go on then, show me. I've got some musical.
Music.
Yeah, that's just going to be easy. Right,
Well,
wait.
Wait for the video bit.
Yeah.
Oh, you little face, Lucy.
Oh, it's pretty good. Dad.
Well, very good, yes.